Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Chevy Malibu, stock number 17B25A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a chrome grille. Alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are in great shape all the way throughout. Up top, you have a sunroof. Swinging around to the back end now, you have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.